Hi everyone, welcome to Dippy's Easy Kitchen. Today we are going to make the delicious Tuscan chicken which originates from a place called Tuscany in Italy. Now let's see what the key ingredients in making the dish are. We have red beans that have been boiled, chopped spinach, red and green capsicum, cherry tomatoes, thyme, garlic, and sliced onion. We are using Sauvignon Blanc or any white wine you can use which is highly acidic and it will turn sweet while cooking. Here we have the chicken breast, vegetable stock, the dry ingredients such as thyme, onion, flakes, garlic powder, paprika, basil, rosemary, oregano, cream, and tomato puree. Now first you marinate the chicken with the dry ingredients. Chicken has been sliced into scallopini, which is basically cutting it thinly across its length. You can keep chicken marinated for about half an hour to 1 hour's time. While marinating the chicken, another ingredient that is a must is crushed black pepper and salt. Rub the dry ingredients liberally all over the chicken. Now grease a baking paper and put it in the air fryer. Put chicken in it. Cook chicken for about 15 minutes on 180 degrees. While chicken is cooking, take some olive oil in a large vessel. Now add the onions in it and saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the sliced red and green capsicum. Saute again for a minute or two. Now we add the minced garlic. Stir again. Some fresh thyme. Now we add wine and stir on high heat. Now remember, while you're cooking with wine, keep the flame high. And once the wine has reduced to half, we'll add 200 grams of tomato puree. Here goes. Now's the time to add some salt. Don't add too much of it. Crushed black pepper. Black pepper is going to add a nice punch to the sauce. And now we'll add some vegetable stock. If you don't have vegetable stock, you can use the water that we had kept, after boiling beans. Now we add the boiled beans and stir gently. We can add a little more vegetable stock since the sauce appears to be very thick. Stir again. Now put the gas on high, cover with the lid and give it a boil for a minute or two. Now we add cherry tomatoes. Give it a light stir. See how beautiful the sauce is looking. Cover again for a few minutes. Now we'll add about half a glass of milk. Reduce the flame and stir gently, mixing everything nicely. Time to introduce some cream. Make sure your gas is on low. Here goes. Now stir gently. This is going to make your sauce nice and rich. And now we take about 1 to 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, add little water to it and make a slurry. This we are going to add to the sauce. Keep the flame high and stir gently. Adding the slurry to the sauce is going to give it a nice thick texture. Time to add in the spinach. Stir. Keep stirring occasionally so that the sauce doesn't get burnt. Now time to add some grated parmesan cheese. Stir gently into the sauce. And this is coming out like beautifully nice and rich sauce. And now our sauce is ready to be served. So let's do the plating. And now we'll place the chicken that we had cooked in the air fryer. Add a little more gravy to this. Garnishing with some cilantro. This is a delicious recipe. I hope you'll give it a try. Do write your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching.